Example number 4. Find the equation of the tangent and normal lines if f of x equals to 2x to the negative 2 minus x plus 1 at point 1, 2. Here the question asks about the equations of both the tangent and normal lines. The given function is 2x to the negative 2 minus x plus 1, but the coordinate point has been given, which is 1, 2. I need three things: x sub 1, y sub 1, and slope of the line, which is m. So when you look to the statement, to this area, two parameters has been given here, which is x sub 1 and y sub 1. But I don't know the slope of the line, because in the question I need the slope of the line, which is m. So to find the slope of the tangent line, take the derivative of the function, which is negative 4 over x cubed minus 1. This is the derivative of f of x. Apply simply power rule here. The derivative of this term will be negative 4 over x cubed, and derivative of negative x will be negative 1. Derivative of 1 is 0, which is a constant. This is the derivative of f of x, which is f prime of x. Since we got the derivative of f of x, now I'm going to plug in the value of x. So the value of x is here, which is 1. Because two values has been given, x sub 1 and y sub 1. Plug in the value of x here, which is my x sub 1 actually. It equals to negative 4, or 1 cubed minus 1, it equals to negative 5. This negative 5 is the slope of the tangent line, remember, not the slope of the normal line. It is the slope of the tangent line. The question asks about the equation of the tangent line and the equation of the normal line. So to find the equation of the tangent line, plug in all the respective values here. But what about the slope of the normal line? It is pretty easy. If you know the slope of the tangent line, you can automatically find the slope of the normal line. So take its reciprocal with the opposite sign. It will be positive 1 over 5. So the slope of the normal line will be positive 1 over 5. I took its reciprocal, which is 1 over 5, with the opposite sign. If it is negative, I'm going to put positive 1 over 5. If it is positive, I will put negative 1 over 5. I got the slope of the tangent line, which is negative 5, and I got the slope of the normal line, which is 1 over 5. Now to write their equations. Well, this will be the equation of the tangent line. Y sub 1 is 2 here, plug in 2. X sub 1 is 1 here, plug in 1. And m, which is the slope of the line, is negative 5. This is the slope of the tangent line. Plug in m equals to 5. There I got the equation of the tangent line. Now to write the equation of the normal line. This is going to be the equation of the normal line. The slope of the normal line is 1 over 5. Plug in m equals to 1 over 5 here. The other two things are the same for both the tangent line and the normal line, which are x sub 1 and y sub 1. 2 here and here. 1 here and here. But the difference is the slope. The slope of the tangent line is negative 5 and the slope of the normal line is 1 over 5. So I got both the equation of the tangent line and equation of the normal line, which have been asked. Example number 5. Find the equation of the tangent and normal lines if f of x equals to x squared plus x all over x squared at point 1, 3. Again, I'm going to find the equations of the tangent line and normal line where the function is given, which is x squared plus x all over x squared. And the coordinate point also has been given, which is 1, 3. If you look to the function, it is in fractional form. Since it is in fractional form, so I'm going to apply the quotient rule here. Again, two things have been given here, which are x sub 1, it is 1, and y sub 1, which is 3. But I don't know the slope of the line, which is m. So to find the slope of the line, I'm going to take the derivative of f of x. To apply the quotient rule here, put g of x as it is and take the derivative of f of x. So derivative of x squared is 2x and derivative of x is 1. And then minus, put f of x as it is and take the derivative of g of x, which is x squared. So derivative of x squared is 2x. All or square of the g of x. G of x is x squared, so take its square, x squared to the 2. Now to plug in the value of x here, just put the value of x. By plugging the value of x, at the end I got negative 1. This negative 1 is the slope of the tangent line. Just plug in the value of x equals to 1. Do algebra, you will get negative 1. This negative 1 is the slope of the tangent line. But what about the slope of the normal line? Take its reciprocal with the opposite sign. It will become 1. It is 1. When you take its reciprocal, it will be 1 over 1. So 1 over 1 is 1. But then with the opposite sign, if it is positive, I'm going to put negative 1 over 1. Since it is negative 1, therefore I'm going to put positive 1 over 1. So positive 1 over 1 is ultimately 1. I got both the slope of the tangent line, which is negative 1, and slope of the normal line, which is 1. From the point slope form equation, plug in all the respective values to have y minus 3 equals to 1 into x minus 1. Because look, y sub 1 is 3 and x sub 1 is 1. Slope of the normal line is 1. So it equals to y minus 3 equals to x minus 1. This is the slope of the normal line. And then to find the slope of the tangent line, plug in all the respective values to have y minus 3 equals to negative 1 into x minus 1, which equals to y minus 3 equals to negative x plus 1. We have been asked to write the equations of the tangent and normal lines. The function is in fractional form. The point has been given, which is 1, 3. Therefore, I'm going to apply the quotient rule here to find its derivative, and then to plug in the value of x, which is 1, to get the slope of the tangent line. Slope of the tangent line is negative 1. Then take its reciprocal with the opposite sign to get the value of normal line, which is 1. Plug in the respective values for the normal line. Y sub 1 is 3 here, x sub 1 is 1, and m is positive 1, which is the slope of the normal line. 1 times x will be x, and 1 times negative 1 will be negative 1. There I got the slope of the normal line. And then plug in the respective values for the tangent line. Y sub 1 is the same, which is 3. X sub 1 is also the same, which is 1. But the difference is the slope, which is m. So slope of the tangent line is negative 1. Plug in negative 1 here, not positive 1. Positive 1 is the slope of the normal line, not the tangent line. For the tangent line, plug in m equals to negative 1. So negative 1 times x will be negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1 will be positive 1. There I got the equation of the tangent line.